What's up guys, welcome to my channel Strike the Mic. So today I'm going to show you uh, how to spin steal the lightning El Drago. I broke this part to spin steal it. But first I will show you a test spin of this lightning El Drago. My camera. Yeah. So 3, 2, 1, let it. Oh, see. Sorry. It is loose. Now it's perfect. 3, 2, 1, let it. Whoa! Look at this bear. How fast it is. He can battle with the cosmic Pegasus also. So I will do some test battles with my Storm Pegasus. Pegasus. Yeah. 3, 2, 1, let it. Now, lightning. 3, 2, 1, let it. Oh, no. Ah. Oh. I don't think lightning will win. Oh, Pegasus wins. Round 2. Dark Bull versus Lightning El Drago. 3, 2, 1, let it. Three, two, one, let it. I think Lightning El Drago cannot do spin stealing. Lightning is getting slow, much slower. Oh, Dark Bull wins. So now, Leon Buster versus Lightning El Drago. 3, 2, 1, let it. Let go. Yeah. Friends, sorry, he got down from my steel statue. 3, 2, 1, let it. Let it. Oh, shot. Lightning El Drago leaving his balance. Oh, Lightning El Drago loses. So Lightning El Drago can't do spin stealing because it don't have rubber like Meteor El Drago and El Drago Destructor. So please like my channel, subscribe my channel and share and comment down how was the video. So you always keep so